All right, this one is a big exclusive interview. The chairman at Vedanta Resources talks to NDTV's Arijit Burman. In an exclusive chat, he details out the plans of Vedanta regarding India and, of course, his plans for the listed entity here, Sterlite Industries, and their new ventures.
You're getting into power generation in a very big way. You are there in the hardware. When it comes to transmission, why not get into transmission directly and maybe even generation? That way you complete the entire value chain and control the ecosystem.
Government of India does not permit, only PGCIL has been permitted for this transmission. I think government is coming out with the idea to privatize, to allow private sector to come into the transmission. And if that comes, we will be looking into, because we are the most of the in India, if you look at the transmission tower, has our conductor. So if the policy open up, we'll be looking at how we can enter into this transmission business.
But do you see the power business as three pieces, and you have to get into all three? Power generation, you're already in it. Power transmission, you're waiting for some reforms, and then distribution, and then you're already a hardware player. So you have the entire ecosystem on, controlling.
That's not our focus. We have gone into the power generation business because we are the metal producer. And metal, the major raw materials are power. So we have become we are generating power. We are already producing 2000 megawatt. By virtue of we being the producing this power, we have gone into the commercial power also. Transmission, of course, it makes sense because we make conductor. We are in a transmission. If the governments open up, we will definitely be looking at how can we look at whether it's a joint venture ourselves to get into the transmission business.
But distribution, that's difficult. That's
we have never looked at. We don't understand that.
In power itself, the challenge now is raw material, just like in the metals and mining space as well. Coal, there are some captive blocks that you have in India. How do you solve the issue of raw material? What is going to be your quest for coal when it comes to expanding the business?
I personally believe that we need power, we have to generate power, and also I believe that we have the best coal available in the world. We have the coal, there's enough well in the water. You have to have a mechanism, how do we take it out? And government is reforming, and like you have seen, when we took over Hindustan Zinc, it was producing 150,000 ton. When we took over in a couple of years, now we are producing 100,000 ton, same mines. So these mines, these equipments have the capability, and the public sector managers have the capability to manifold to increase if given them a free hand, given them autonomous body. So I believe that as government is thinking, if the Coal India and other body has been given the lot of freedom, they will be able to manifold generate the coal, which is one source to get the coal. Of course, we have a lot of people are looking. Indonesia opening up a new coal mine. Government is looking how they do with the clearance to auction the blocks. So those things will take place.
Just like the energy sector, Coal India also has an overseas arm, looking for partners from the private sector, just like ONGC Videsh. Would you like to partner Coal India for overseas assets in Indonesia, as you said, in Africa, because you have a global spread yourself?
I'm very India-centric. I will look at India first.
Many of the Coal India assets are coming on the block for captive power, private players. Many of them, just like you, power players, are looking for another round of bidding. Would Sterlite or any of your arms be interested in bidding for these new coal blocks which are coming on the auction table?
Sure. I mean, that's our business. If something comes up, we will definitely look at.
A lot of the companies outside India are clubbing mining rights to infrastructure. You get a mine only if you set up a power plant, build railways. We've seen that in Africa in different parts. You're present in Zambia. Do you think that is going to be the way forward? You actually have to be an integrated player to get these mining rights?
Yeah, but it goes hand in hand, hand in hand. If you want to be in power, it has to be the fuel linkage, and having your own block is the best thing, and that's what's happening.
All right, that was Anil Agarwal of Vedanta highlighting his strategy as far as India is concerned, but also let's focus